Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to change profile picture on eBay. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your eBay app. Make sure you're logged in to your eBay app. There you can see the option of eBay. Tap on your profile. There you can see the option of edit profile. Tap on it. Here the profile pic you can see a pencil icon. Tap on it. Over there you can see the option of remove the current picture, add photo, take photo. Choose any one of it. I will choose add picture and I'll choose any picture I like. After doing so, don't forget to save it. There you go, your profile picture has been uploaded. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.